Then we test the rear window in emergency case. What happens? Excellent work. Really, Volvo's front window. Let's look at how this works in here. Excellent thing. Now there is road that people can go through that hole to outside. Now we have nice view, and let's go to look that can I hope that it is first hit, it is durable, and I have to hit harder. Second hit. Yes, who wins the thing? There is damage, and now I can take this door open in that way, and everything is work fine. Okay, and final part is that we have to test that how this Fiskars lifetime warranty axe survives. We can see that there are now hits and these hittings in that area, but still this axe is workable. And now we have maybe to be some great things if we survive and we can get people's away in like burnt or this some another boat what is like sinking to ocean when we open these windows through that axe. And I really recommend that if you go to like take boat trip to ocean, that please take one Fiskars X27 axe in your luggage, because this stuff can survive and you can escape from the sinking boat if you have situation. This is so excellent. But now I tested this in real life with car emergency cases.